So we got another article right here talking about Rivian and how the market currently is going down, all because of one business called Barclays. Yeah, they lowered their recommendation for Rivian. They're looking for the market to go lower in Rivian. What? Could that possibly reduce the value of the stock, all because of one business lowers their price target to $16 from where it once was at $25? Yeah, Barclays did have a price target in Rivian for $25. They've now reduced it to $16. Barclays downgraded Rivian Automotive to equal weight from overweight, with a price target of $16 from $25, as reported in real time on Investing Pro. Following the downgrade, Rivian shares fell more than 3% pre-market today. Is that the reason why the market went down 3%? Like, for real? Keep it a buck. No, that's not the reason. There's other market dynamics at play that will impact Rivian's stock price. Not just because Barclays reduced or downgraded their recommendation for Rivian. Are you serious? There's too many individuals trading Rivian stock on any given day. So for this article to try to insinuate that Barclays crashed the market 3% is asinine. We don't know the other reason as to why the other market participants bought or sold Rivian or downgraded their recommendation. But leave it to investing.com. This is the reason why the market went down 3% in the pre-market. Now, this was produced on the 12th, yesterday. Now, let's go to the stock Rivian. Just look at the chart. Okay, you guys can see off of my price prediction, off of my chart, that I'm looking for the market in Rivian to go down. Now, let's dissect this. Let's talk about it. Okay, because we've noticed, look at how many days Rivian has supported this buy zone. Okay, I told you all about this, that as long as we see this market in Rivian hold this buy zone, which it has done, we may see the market continue to try to go higher. And that's what happened the last 2 days of trading in the market in Rivian. We've seen the market try to lift off of this buy zone. Okay, so what does it mean? Well, it simply means that there is still the ability to see Rivian go higher. Now, Barclays reduced their target from 25 to 16. The market is already trading at $16. So what the world, like, what's the point? It's already at $16, Barclays. What's the point of telling people you've downgraded this stock from 25 to 16 when we can see it's already at 16? Way to go, Barclays. Like, you would want to let your readers know, whoever depends on Barclays and their recommendations, you're supposed to let them know that price has been reduced to 16 before the market gets to $16. So when Rivian was trading up here, okay, around 24, 25, did Barclays let their readers know that they're looking for the market to go down to 16? Because if so, kudos to them, because now it's at 16. Now, I don't have no way of verifying that. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. But it shows no usage for you to let people know that you downgraded the stock to $16 when it's already at 16. Okay, so let's look at this on the weekly chart, because we may need to cut the idea that Rivian is weak and try to make the market move higher, because I can see it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real. I can see how buyers are supporting the price. So it would be crazy for me to say that the market in Rivian doesn't look bullish. It does. It does. All because of these buyers holding this buy zone right there. That's the only reason why I can say that the market in Rivian still looks pretty bullish. Right? Earnings is coming up. Take a look. The 21st of February. That is going to cause and answer the question as to whether or not Rivian is going to crash or go up. I think the bar is going to consolidate until that time. If we see the market and Rivian go higher leading up to earnings, then we may see it really go lower. Here it's on the 5 weeks. Okay. Monthly chart. Months. Let's get on 330 minute. See what we're working with. Okay, so yeah, it just looked like it wants to trade sideways. Consolidate. Now I can see here it's a sell zone for Rivian. So yeah, I think the buyers have a little bit more work to do. So I'm not going to cancel my price prediction out yet, but it's there. Like I wouldn't disagree with how the market is attempting, okay, to go up. I'm not going to say that it is going to continue to go up, but it's attempting to try to go higher in price. So I'm just going to leave my price prediction alone for the time being. I will extend it out though, because it looked like the market needs couple more days to make a mind up as to whether or not it's going to continue to hold this buy zone or not. And I'm here to admit to you right now today, if that continues, then my price prediction is not going to be right. I already know it. Like I don't have to have any emotional aspect to this forecast. I can already see that. So it kind of places you in a situation like, okay, what should I do? Sometimes you just need to sit and be still until you get more information. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sit and be still until we get more information as to whether or not those buyers are still there or did they leave. So we may come back down and test that buy zone. We'll see. Give me your thoughts though about the article, about Barclays downgrading their recommendation for Rivian. Do you think the buyers are going to continue to hold 15? Because if so, you may be sitting on the right side of the market to where price is going to begin to ascend and go up. But for me, I'm just going to have to leave it untouched right now. Yeah, I'm going to have to leave it untouched for the time being. So what side of the field are you standing on? Are you looking for price to go up, or are you looking for the market to go down? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.